Hi everybody. So just to let you know, oops, a little wobbly there. I am not immune to like finding an oil in my collection that I have not used in a while and completely forgetting why I have it. So this morning I was packing, we're going out of town, and I always bring my Pilot diffuser. So my wonderful little portable diffuser, which I absolutely love, and I always put some oils in there to diffuse, and I was like, oh, what should I bring? And I came upon this lovely bottle of Hinoki, and I'm like, why did I get that? What is it for? So just so you know, despite the fact that, you know, aromatherapist and all, using oils for 20 years, and I forget why I have these sometimes, but I looked it up and I remember now why I bought this, because it is a beautiful oil. It's a Japanese oil, herbs, and it's essentially used for respiratory support, but it also has some wonderful calming properties. So I'm looking forward to replacing this with my peace oil when we are in the hotel. And we'll diffuse this at night, and I will, I'm sure, benefit from it. It smells lovely. It really is wonderful. Historically, it was used in a lot of the ceremonial Japanese ceremonies. So it's a traditional oil in Japan, and it really does smell very woody, almost cedar wood like. So that's it. So I just wanted to pop on. Take care.